I'm petrified of fucking midnight because he died as well. He shit on that.
Behind you.
Yeah, fucking hell, Bell. Got a red mate. Where's he gone?
Hello.
I need to just put over the top of it. So I can just like block it in. I need a card or something. Tell me if you want though, yeah. Look at it, I might do it. Whoa, whoa! Fuck off, guys! It's you that's getting it over it! Don't! Fuck off! Oh, fuck off! Swear to God, you better fuck off!
Behind you.
Don't, because I fucking did. Don't, because I'm kicking you. Fuck off now. So I want to get him out safely, because you know, it's an animal. Die! I swear to God, bro. Fucking hell! Go on. No, guys, fuck off! I swear to God, you better fuck off. I'll kill him. Don't now, because... Don't die. Don't fuck off. Go ahead, get in the box, so I'll take you. Go ahead.
Just put a box down.
No, I'll get it now. I need something like cardboard. Die! Fuck off! Fuck off now, I swear I'm sweating like a fucking... Maybe I could get him in one in the bin. Calm yourself. Fuck off! I swear to God, stop it! You're alright with it. Let me start swinging my jacket so he flies it. You! Oh, fuck off, guys! Stop it, could you? You get it all fucking distressed. Look at him, poor bugger. I'm trying to get him up, mate, but he's trying to make me look a twat on camera, which I do. I'm fucking sweating now. No! Yes! Oh! No! Yeah!
See? Drop box on it.
I will now, yeah, but I'm probably kidding.
No, just drop the box on top. Drop it on top of it.
Yeah, I'm trying! You fucking try to drop a box. Don't, guys! No, I'll get him now, so shh. No, wait, don't! Swing your fucking jacket, I'll get him now. You gotta go up. If I catch him on a side view, see? Don't die, because I am trying my best here. Up. Go on, up, you're gonna get out. Go on then. I'm putting you on, mate.
Fights would be nice, you twat.